Well, we got the tuner in for the truck, and something bad happened to the turbo. It basically, we can't find the center shaft. The turbine for the exhaust housing was inside the cat, and I basically told Eric that if it's going to break, you might as well upgrade it. So we got a whole bunch of upgrade parts that we're about to unbox right now. So we're going to get into it. Well, when
y'all putting these parts on today,
y'all will see a new video. We're going to be putting all these parts on.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, you better, heck yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. We're going to be putting all these parts on tonight, basically. New head gaskets. Those are 18 millimeter. New dowel pins, new head gaskets, 18 millimeter. They're black diamonds. I don't know what.
I don't know what any of this is. I'm just taking it out of the box.
Gasket, forward parts. I'm assuming those are valve cover or intake gaskets. Yeah. Either one of those. Some more.
Oh, here's what we want right here.
There they are.
ARP bolts and stuff.
All right, we're gonna get this out of the way. We're gonna start.
That was the heaviest part in the box.
Jesus. We're gonna start unboxing most of these here. I can't wait to look into these. Look at that.
It's for a 6.0, so this is a need.
Yeah, this is definitely needed.
It's in the front. I don't even know.
Yeah, it's.
Probably cut that tag.
Oh, they taped it all up. Oh, look at that. Torque sequence.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
And ARP.
Look at that. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Dear God, Lord. They don't mess around. Jesus. Does it come with... It comes with all those. Does it come with the lubricant? Yep.
Huh.
Alright, we got it all. All that I'm not going to do. Because those are just gaskets. What's this? What's this? American born and bred. That's all it says.
No.
This is mystery. This is a mystery box here.
Evidently this has emission laws. I don't know what that is.
EGR delete.
Is it EGR delete?
It's gotta be. Uh-oh. 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 Look at that.
Oh, another one. I like this one better. This one's silver.
I gotta see what this is
Oh.
here. Oh, this is the lift kit. The 2-inch leveling kit that they sell. You gotta lift up his truck another 2 inches in the front and the rear. It's already a commercial truck, so it's already bigger than most F250s, but we got to get these, that way we can lift it up and put 37s underneath it. Because those are the only thing that we can find for cheap. Enough fit on the 16.5 rims we got. Heck yeah. Sit over that over to the side. Born and bred. Here we go.
That one's also emission
Fuel
box.
black.
Oh.
SD fuel black.
That's probably Blue Spring.
Probably Blue Spring kit, yes. We're going to do everything at once except for injectors. Injectors are the only thing we're not doing right now. Look at that. Look at that. Blue Spring kit. Oh, this is what I'm excited to see right here. Wait a minute.
That sticker.
There's not another sticker in there.
I don't know if I like the black or the blue one.
I like the blue one. I like them both, honestly, but that's what I'm excited to see. Look at that. Look at that.
Adjustable.
Yeah, it is. Sweet. Okay. We're going to put this stuff in here. Next box. Oh, we're going to do these because they're blue.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, yeah, this is one of those unmarked boxes.
And thank you, Phil S. and Cully B. for checking and building it.
Heck yeah, thank you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you.
Oh,
Oh,
that's the coolant filter.
Oh yeah. Oh look, it already comes with a filter.
And another sticker.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. This will probably be the last thing we do.
Yeah, this will be the last thing I put on.
It's gonna sit like that in your engine bay. You're gonna have that filter right there. Sweet. Sweet. You got your
Hey, Phil S again. Phil checked this one, but he built that one.
Nate K. Thank you, Nate. Appreciate it.
So in there. This is their complete solutions package.
Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of people aren't running them. I don't know why.
I know.
They use the same parts that every other solutions package runs. Look like a whole bunch of gaskets.
Yeah, gaskets.
What is it?
That looks like not that intake.
What is it?
Like a valve cover.
What is it?
That would be the oil cooler, the Sinister Diesel oil cooler.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Look how big that motor is. Jesus.
That replaces the factory one on top of the engine block.
Yeah. This is gonna be good right here, man. All right. That is.
That's EGR delete. I can't.
This one is.
You sure?
It's got emission stuff on it, so I don't know why it wouldn't be.
But the coolant one had emission stuff on it.
The coolant one didn't have emission stuff on it.
Which one did?
The fuel.
Yeah, the fuel did. Yeah.
See, EGR delete.
Yeah, that's EGR.
All the shiny parts.
There's Coley again.
Blake, whoever you are, Blake, you're a new guy. Oh man, look at those. Look at those dimes. They be stacking them. Look at that, Skittles. Daggone. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be good looking, man. It's gonna be good. Look at that. Oh, block off plate. Another sticker in there? Nope.
No.
All
Oh,
right.
Sinister. More stickers. I like the ARP one though.
Oh, you know we're gonna put that on there. Automotive racing products. What's this?
I don't know. I honestly forgot what all it was.
EGR cooler gasket kit.
If I even need that.
You don't, because
I got rid of the
you're
EGR.
you're deleting the EGR, aren't you?
Unless I need the gaskets for that.
They came with gaskets in it.
I guess so.
Anybody wants to buy an EGR cooler gasket kit, you got it online right now for $44.99. That's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna at least look inside there. This
Oh,
came
that's
with
the intake.
Yeah, but you got intake gaskets already in one of those.
No, those were what's valve cover.
One of these.
Oh. No, this is yeah. Who knows?
Look.
I don't know which one I like better.
Definitely the Sinister one. It looks better. It's tougher too.
So
all right, we got her all unboxed here.
oh, that's turbo stuff too. We're gonna need that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Definitely.
Well, your turbo stuff will come with your new turbo stuff.
Dang.
Yeah, your turbo
So,
will come
we
with
just
your
got
turbo
extra
stuff.
gaskets.
Yeah, just in case we tear one or something. Yeah, yeah. That didn't work. Yeah, that's so loud.
Nice.
A Knife. Ford Production Products.
Exhaust manifold gasket?
I don't know. Yes, it's metal. Does it just come with one?
Yeah, there's only one in there.
Is there?
Unless that other one's got one in it.
Open. Hey, what's the part number on the back of that? On the back. Yep. Mm-hmm.
So
yep. It's the same thing. Well, I don't know why they just didn't send them in one. But oh well. they want to pay for shipping, they can pay for shipping. Yes. Sinister Diesel. As far as we know, we're going to be the only ones running the whole setup on there. Because...
especially even the Pitbull turbo.
Yeah, the Pitbull Series 2 turbo. It'll be here next Tuesday.